Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the Shebang's line dance. So I'm going to turn my back and I'll show you step by step. Ready? Step to your right, cross left, step to your right, cross left. Now, with your right foot, you do the shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your left foot is free. You kick. 7. Position 8. So let's do it a little faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha. Kick. Position. Now we're doing the same thing to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha. Kick. Position. Now we're moving forward with the 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's put that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha. Kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha. Kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next 4 steps. You'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you go to count 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start from the beginning. From the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your left foot is free. You step 1, 2, 3, 4. So you cross your right foot. 5, 6. So that's again the cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So let's do it from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha-cha. Kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha-cha. Kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha, 7, 8. Next one will be, you step again to your right, cross left, cha-cha-cha. Okay? Step left, back forward, back to your position, cha-cha-cha. Get that? So it looks like this. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. Start from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. Kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. Kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha, 7, 8. So next one will be step cross, cha-cha-cha, step back, cha-cha-cha. And now you step 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's halfway, turning halfway. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's start from the beginning, from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha, kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha, kick position. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, 5 and 1, 2, cha cha cha, step back, cha cha cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting from the last steps, when you stomp through 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step, you do with your left foot, 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, cha cha cha. Okay? Last 8 counts will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it's like this. Last count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, 7, 8. And that's the end of the dance. And you have to do it again, repeat from the top. At this point, you're facing this wall. Okay? Let's do it facing this wall. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha cha cha, step back, cha cha cha, step. After, and 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha cha. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, starting with this wall, we're gonna do it from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, kick position. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha cha cha, step back, cha cha cha, step halfway, step halfway. And 1, 2, cha cha cha, 3, 4, cha cha cha. Now last 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, 7, 8. So now you're facing this wall. You're going to repeat from the top again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cha cha cha, kick position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.